So, today it's gonna be a video of you guys seeing the adventures of a bike. Oh, gotta put the... So are you sure the camera's not gonna fall off? See, I'm not holding it. I attached it to the bike. And,
right?
Yes, right. So, wait, I need to stop. Oh. Well, guys, you can see well. I bet you can see the sky and some of the trees. Wait.
Here, I'll go in the front there with Bella.
Oh yeah, you guys can see. I hope. If you guys don't see well, I'm sorry. I'll see this video. Mom, look! No brakes! I think I ruined the cord for my brakes. And the other one doesn't even work because it's too tight. So it's just a loose one and a hard, stiff one. Let's see. Let's turn. We're picking up garbage. I don't know if you can see Mom. Oh. Does it look like it's gonna fall, Mom? Does it look like it's gonna fall? No?
It's taped good there.
Okay. My dad taped it. Oh, I saw a birdie just fly by. Here, I'll show you. I'm not trying to. I'm lifting up my bike to show you something. Do you see the water?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, I think I saw the water. I think everybody just heard me scream. Get back on my bike. So, today we're going to be going to that top of that hill and coming down it. And it's going to be fast, so you guys are just going to see a boom. That's what I do every day. Oh, bumps. Look what I can do. Oh, I shouldn't do that. The camera. I'm trying to use my feet as brakes. Gotta tape it better next time if I do this ever again. I need to see if something's good. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I think it's good. I think Bella sees something. I might do that sometimes. I might just... I wish I could do a back wheel like I could do with the front wheel. I could lift it up, but the back one, so you'd be straight. Oh, I'm going to show them this river over here. You can hear it, can't you? Just listen. Do you hear that? There's a car coming. Now I'm going to switch and go back over here. Oh, that was a bump. Whoa! holes? Kids.
Daddy's spinning the truck there.
Oh, Dad. Oh, there's dogs. There's dogs. Bella's gonna get mad.
No. I gotta let her go there.
Bella!
Bella, come here. Come here.
Get over here!
Come here, Bella.
Bella!
Come here. No, come here.
Come on. Move it.
That was scary.
I wasn't going to hold on to her because that's dangerous.
Yeah. Oh, now we're going up the hill. It's the hard part. I'm gonna drag my bike. No, I like riding my bike a lot. Oh.
You're not going to show that.
What? I really like driving. Here, I'll get off for a second. Ugh. See, if I turn it around, there's Bella. Oh,
Sing us something all the time.
yeah. And back to the drive. Oh, I need to stop for a second. It's hard to get up the hill. We're only going up this hill and going down. Just the part is that I don't want to drop this thing. Would it drop, Mom, if I go down the hill?
No, it's not going to drop. It's just... You have brakes on your other side? Or?
Nope, too tight.
Well, maybe you should not go down the hill. I'm scared.
Well, I don't use the brakes.
Okay, well, you be careful.
Mom's collecting garbage, or bottles.
A little bit of garbage too.
A little bit of garbage too. Should I go to the other side or stay on this side? I just turned my bike
The
around.
other side there.
Okay.
Across there.
Oh, there's a car coming. I didn't want to show who that was. Okay, Mom, you gotta move.
Or maybe we'll go on the other side.
Okay. Okay, but I gotta go first. Woo! I just ran over something. I'm going fast. I usually go faster than this, but I don't want to drop my tablet. So I'm going slowly. Oh. But even though I'm going slow, I'm not even pedaling right now. That's the part that I'm freaked out about. Oh, geez, out. And it is done. Let's see if we can see Mom way over there. Oh no. I don't know what you guys see, but can you see Mom? I don't know my mom, but I don't know if you can. It's hard. Whew. Let's see what. 9 minutes. Whoa, it took us 9 minutes. Okay, Mom's close enough that I can keep on going. She said I can pass the road. So let's go all the way back home. You might have not seen me as much on this video, but at least you guys got a drive of I wish I had brakes. Oof, it's hard. Can you see the water? I'm pretty sure you can. Ouch. Just making sure it's... So, this is me on the bike. I got my helmet to make sure I don't fall off. I got my helmet so I make sure I don't fall off. Oh, and there's a pond right there. There's a pond right over there. I don't know if you guys, you see around this part, but I don't know if you can see the pond. Only if I lift up my bike. Ah! Oh God. You remember Aaron in our videos? Well, sadly he left. He left to go to St. John. He's living in St. John now. I'm sad. Everybody's asking me. About probably 5 people asked me Friday, oh, do you miss Aaron? I'm like, yeah! Mostly everybody misses Aaron. But I wasn't there for his last day because I was sick. He had a go-away party. Alex was there. Remember Alex? Hayden was supposed to be there. Isaac was there, and Andrew was there also. So I'm giving a shout out to Andrew's YouTube channel. So his is Tekken Plays or something. Tekken or something. It's Tekken, I'm pretty sure. Tekken Plays. There you go. Tekken Plays. That's his name. So I'll give you the name in down below, but you guys leave a like on this video, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. So I'll see you later. Bye.